you can expect a lot from the 2011 Mitsubishi Lancer. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Mitsubishi prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including variably intermittent wipers, an outside temperature display, front fog lights, remote keyless entry, and much more. Mitsubishi ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.